Making money is one thing, keeping it is another. And most investors don't realize the biggest risk isn't the market. It's how your investment is protected.
Exactly. Whether the market is booming or uncertain, investment security is the foundation. Today, we're breaking down how real estate investors safeguard their capital and how you can do the same.
Welcome back, Smarties, to Series 10 of Smart Real Estate with Westcliff. I'm your host, Addy Saeed, joined by my partner and co-founder, Jaffer. This series is all about building trust, confidence, and clarity in your real estate investing.
In episode 1, we talked about transparency. Today, we're leveling up and exploring the actual mechanisms that protect your capital. Legal, structural, operational, and financial safeguards that every investor should know.
We're in a market where interest rates are shifting, financing rules are evolving, and the landscape is full of new players offering big promises. That means investor protection isn't optional, it's essential.
And we reviewed countless client deals where the structure, not the property, was the real risk. Strong underwriting means nothing if your capital isn't protected by the right checks and balances.
So when an investor asks us, how do you secure my investment? The answer involves multiple layers, not one.
Whether it's a joint venture, a limited partnership, or in syndicated offering, the structure determines how decisions are made, how returns are paid, and how investors are protected.
In LP, limited partnership structures, for example, limited partners have limited liability. In JV, joint ventures, clear operating agreements prevent disagreements and protect capital.
We never rely on surface numbers. We insist on third-party appraisals, environmental assessments, lease audits, and market comps.
One recent client deal we reviewed included inflated rent projections. When we ran actual market data and tenant profiles, the realistic number was 7% lower, a major difference for long-term returns. That's why diligence matters.
Real deals rarely go exactly as planned. So we ask, what if vacancies rise? What if interest rates shift? What if renovation timelines slip?
We've seen deals that look amazing until you test them against real-world volatility. Security comes from knowing how the deal performs when conditions change.
A secure investment requires alignment. That means the sponsors have skin in the game, clear responsibilities, and transparent communication.
When we co-invest alongside clients or review partner-led opportunities, alignment is one of our top criteria. If the sponsor isn't sharing the risk, investors carry too much of the load.
Security isn't a one-time decision. It's ongoing. Investors need timely updates, access to financials, and clear reporting.
We've helped clients move away from partners who didn't provide updates or only shared sanitized versions of the numbers. Real reporting includes the win and the challenges.
When deals lack proper security safeguards, you'll see a few warning signs. Number 1, vague legal agreements. 2, no exit plan. 3, no reporting schedule. 4, unverified rent rolls. And finally, sponsors who won't explain financial assumptions.
In some cases we reviewed, investors didn't even have clarity on who owned the asset or controlled the bank account. That's not investing. That's gambling with blindfolds on.
We take a conservative, multi-layered approach. We examine deal structure, downside scenarios, partner alignment, and the operational plan from day one.
And even though we're dealing reps, we still encourage investors to ask questions, challenge assumptions, and understand the structure inside and out.
Security isn't about avoiding risk. It's about managing it properly.
If you want help evaluating the security of a real estate deal, or you're ready to build a protected investment strategy, book a strategy session at cal.westcliffam.com.
And remember to join the Westcliff Investors Network, win.westcliffam.com, to get early access to education, vetted opportunities, and our full investor support ecosystem.
At Westcliff, we help you learn, invest, and manage with transparency, alignment, and security at its core.
In our next episode, we tackle something every investor needs to understand: fraud prevention and the red flags you should never ignore.
And Smarties, this podcast is for informational entertainment purposes only. Nothing we discuss constitutes financial or legal advice. Always consult a licensed professional before making investment decisions.